Hi everybody, thank you for staying tuned. My name is Sarah and I'm going to do an in-depth walk around video on this 2018 Audi S5. So it's beautiful red color. You obviously have the four rings right here, front facing camera. You have parking sensors throughout this vehicle as well. Okay, coming off to the side here, you're obviously going to see the beautiful rims right there with the upgraded brakes. Again, red, silver, black detailing throughout this vehicle. It has black leather seats with some diamond stitching with the contrast stitching as well, so it's going to make it look super sharp for you. Okay, it is a 4-door. It does have the proximity key, so you don't actually necessarily have to have it out. It could just be on your person, okay? You got a super big trunk, obviously, with the backup cam as well. There we go. So as you can see, it's also kind of a hatch, right? So it has access to the back. You can put down the seats, extra cargo room. You can definitely fit a couple golf bags in here as well, okay? And has some power trunk right there. I'm going to show you inside, so stay tuned. Thank you for staying tuned. I am inside the 2018 Audi S5. So it has just over 22,000 kilometers. As you can see, it's beautiful black leather throughout this vehicle. Dogs, kids, anything like that. You're going to be easy to clean up. This does have, for the back passenger, not for the back, for the passenger and the driver, it does have the extended seats right here. So if you're a little bit taller, you can actually just do that on this side as well. It also comes with massaging seats, which is pretty cool. Heated seats, dual climate, right? It obviously has air conditioning, all that fun stuff. You have this big screen right here, which is all controlled by all these right here. So giving you a super futuristic kind of look for everything. So as you can see, it has a dial, right? So you can go into vehicle, hit that, it changes your, obviously your drive select. You can have it in auto, comfort, dynamic, or individual. So that individual, you can actually customize the vehicle how you want it. Sounds, radio, media, you know, your phone. So Apple CarPlay, Google, Android, you got your nav, your map, your Audi connection. So you obviously have to make sure that you have the right, you know, tools to use that kind of stuff, right? And all your settings right here. These buttons down here are going to change your, obviously your like Sirius, your radio, that kind of thing. And it's all like, you don't even have to touch it. Like it's just like a nice touch screen, and so you don't have to press anything. Okay, you also have your volume right up here as well. So again, you don't have to, you can just be driving. You could just be playing with these buttons. Super easy peasy, okay? Bluetooth controls, obviously on the steering wheel. You got obviously access to your nav, your volumes. You do have your gear shifters up here as well if you did want to obviously have it in that drive select mode, right? These buttons are going to change obviously what you see up here. So digital speedometer, gas mileage, things like that. You're going to have memory seating, power seats, again, heated seats, massaging seats, which is really, really nice. You got right up here this beautiful sunroof. Okay, you have universal garage door openers, and to open the trunk, you obviously have the button on the trunk, but you can actually access it right from the side of the door. You can open and close it, which is pretty cool. So nice little feature there. So if anybody, you know, you don't have to actually get out to close the vehicle. This unit, like I said, it's 2018 Audi S5, just over 22,000 kilometers. If you want to take it for a test drive, give us a shout here at St.Albert Dodge, 780-458-8660.